Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Bricks, your nutrition advisor. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, I am a licensed nutritionist dietitian practicing here in the Philippines. And for today's topic ay ating pag-usapan ang diet for the COVID-19 patient or nutrition support for the COVID-19 sick individual. Nutrition is essential factor in the treatment of any disease including the COVID-19. So yung mga pasyenteng may sakit, especially those patients that have a COVID-19, may have a poor recovery to the disease. Also, they have a poor response to medications and other treatments if an individual is malnourished or undernourished. Especially yung mga macronutrient natin such as your carbohydrates, your protein, and your fats. Para mas mapabilis ang paggaling ng mga pasyenteng may sakit, especially yung mga pasyenteng nakaranas ng COVID-19, laging tandaan, nutrition should be given a huge importance in the treatment protocols. So normally, mga taong may sakit, they experience abrupt loss of energy and muscle. And that is because the body requires a huge amount of energy during stress level and recovery periods of the body. Our antibodies are made up of protein. And to increase the healing recovery, it needs protein. So therefore, protein support for the individual or for the sick individual should be given at the maximum amount, up to 15 to 20% of the total energy requirement. So yung mga sources natin, just like your meat, your fish, your dairy, your seafoods, and don't forget your nuts and grains. Since we don't want our protein to be used by the body as the source of energy, we need to conserve our protein just for the sake of repair and maintenance only. So what we need to do is to spare the protein by consuming enough carbohydrates. Carbohydrates needs up to 60 to 70% of your total energy requirement. So as you notice, yung carbohydrates natin, mas malaki yung kanyang chunk of consumption since mostly of your energy source should be taken from the carbohydrates. Sources of our carbohydrates are the following. Pwedeng manggagaling sa rice. Okay, you can have the white rice and also the unpolished rice, much better. Your pasta, your potato, your kamote, your banana, your bread, and other starches products. So those are the good source of the carbohydrates. It is also recommended to consume your carbohydrates from a complex sources. Instead of consuming bread, you can substitute it with potato and kamote, because you will be getting not only carbohydrates but as well as fiber. And high fiber food sources has a direct effect to lowering your blood cholesterol, your BP, and improve your satiety. So meaning to say na mas matagal kang magutom when you are consuming fiber-rich foods. Lastly, do not forget your fat sources. Fat consumption in the diet should be provided at least 20 to 30% from your total energy requirement. Now, ano bang ginagawa ng mga fats natin? Why we need to consume our fats? And that is very important because fat is used by the body to metabolize your vitamin A, your vitamin D, your vitamin E, and vitamin K or your ADEK. It also helps you to generate your bile or yung apto natin. Not only that, it also helps to generate your hormones and other neurotransmitters, since 60% of our brain is made up of fat. And lastly, the role of fat in our diet is to have our energy reserve. As much as possible, avoid the consumption of simple sugar, such as your soft drinks, your chocolates, and other products that has a high level of the sugar content. So yung mga pagkain matatamis. So this may cause to disable your antibodies and it will result to a poor recovery of the disease. So mas matagal kang gumaling if you are consuming simple sugars. So always remember to consume your food from a whole food sources and minimize to consume yung mga processed products natin. Because consuming whole food sources will get not only macronutrients such as your carbohydrates, protein, and your fats, but as well as fiber, your micronutrients such as your zinc, your iron, and vitamin A. And not only that, but also your antioxidants, which help to protect your body from severe disease and help your cells to recover fast. I hope that you learned something new today, and if you do, please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to share this video to your colleagues. And subscribe ka na rin to support this channel. So, see you next time. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.